Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. It is literally 9:30 at night and I have just finished printing and cutting all of the stickers I finished designing for their new release like an hour and a half ago. So here I am. I want to show you guys what is coming out in my new release this Friday, December 9th. Firstly, we have the freebie for December. So the freebie is always on white matte paper, and it's always I guess a tiny version of one of the collections. And here you get the 3 deco stickers, the swatches, the circles, and some script stickers. So this goes with every order placed in December. Then, so the first collection you've seen already, it is the Winter Snow Globe collection, and it is available in white matte sticker paper or clear matte. And I just want to show you something different that I did with this particular collection. I actually used a digital file that gives the, I guess, stickers a watercolor paper look. And if you actually peel one of these up, you can see the white color of the sticker paper and then the kind of off-white ivory color of the stickers themselves. So there is a little bit of a watercolor digital texture on there. So those are the 4 deco stickers, the matching paint swatches, the matching circles, as well as the quote and washi. So that's the Winter Snow Globes. Next are the snowmen. Again, these are available in clear matte and white matte, and they're basically watercolor snowmen, but I love these. It basically, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll be able to see updates on what I'm designing for the new releases. But I basically said this looks like a family drama that's just about to start. I mean, like, you've got the person who's not happy with the situation. It kind of looks like this person's coming home, and this one's like, oh my gosh, drama. The thing with this particular sticker paper though as well is that I added some snowflake splatters so that you can actually have a few snowflake splatters as well. So you've got, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 snowflake splatters, as well as the 3 snowmen on that sheet. And then you have the paint swatches. I love that. And then you've got the circles and the quote and washi. So I love the washi. I think they're just fantastic. And then, do you want to build a snowman? Of course. So that is the Snowman collection. The next collection is the Winter Mood collection, and this is currently being shown on white matte sticker paper, but it is also available on clear matte. And I use kind of the gouache painting brushes in Procreate for this to get this effect. And you've got apples with cinnamon, you've got acorns, and then you've got a knitted hat and matching gloves. I thought just a couple of items that just scream winter mood without being festive. So you can use this either in December if you wanted to, or in January as well. And then you have the matching winter mood swatches, the circles, as well as the quote and washi. So you get miniature versions of the stickers. Winter is magic, as well as the quotes, or sorry, washi. So that is the Winter Mood collection. The 4th collection was inspired by some of the watercolor or the fountain pen ink paintings that I've been doing, and these are pansies. They are actually a winter flower. So I thought, why not do some watercolor pansies? And obviously they're not like realistic, but I really like the way that these look on there. So you've got the pansy deco sheet, you've got the swatches, the circles, and then you've got the quote and washi, as well as some miniature deco as well. I love this quote, don't get your pansies in a twist. But again, these are available in clear matte or white matte. I prefer, whenever I do watercolor stickers, I really do prefer them in clear matte. I just think they look amazing as clear matte stickers, and then when you put them in your planner, they look like they were painted in your planner. So that is the Pansy collection. And the last collection, just a little bit of background here. I had a different idea for one that I wanted to do, and it just didn't pan out. It wasn't working, and I felt like I was forcing it. And then I decided, you know, let's try something else. And I came up with these winter blooms. And I really love kind of, it looks more blue on camera, but they are like a dark teal with some green and some kind of light beige and brown and a little bit of purple. but I really like how these turned out. And these are currently printed on white matte, which I think actually look better on the white matte, but you can certainly get them in clear matte if you want to. So you get 5 deco stickers. There's the Winter Blooms swatches, the circles, and then the Winter Blooms quote and washi that also includes 3 smaller deco. And I love this one, when flowers can't keep it in their plants. Corny. And then you've got the washi there as well. So with these collections, you can either purchase them as individual sheets or purchase them as the full collection of 4 sheets in either white matte or clear matte. So these stickers are coming out this Friday, December 9th at 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, and you can use the code JOLLY15 for 15% off your order all weekend. And again, these are the 5 newest collections in my shop. And don't forget, you also can get this freebie with every order. There's all of the collections. Which one is your favorite? I'm having a hard time choosing which one my favorite is because I really do like those Winter Blooms, but I really like the Winter Mood as well, and I just like them all. But I just find the snowmen with the ensuing drama quite funny. All right, but that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about these, please let me know down in the comments below, or let me know which ones you guys are favoring. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.